It's meal prep day again. Today I'm gonna prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. And as always, let's start with the breakfast.
You have wished for pumpkin spice recipes, so for breakfast I'm prepping pumpkin spice sheet pan pancakes that contain about 30 grams of protein per serving and no protein powder. I add all the ingredients into a blender: oats, eggs, pumpkin puree, maple syrup, but you could use any sweetener you like. Then I add vanilla extract, and baking powder. We don't have ready pumpkin spice mixes here in Finland, so I'm adding spices that the spice mix is usually made of. So cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Lastly, I add cottage cheese for protein. I'm not the biggest fan of the taste of cottage cheese, so if you aren't either, don't worry, you can't really taste it in these pancakes. But you could also replace it with Greek yogurt if you like. Then I just blend everything together. I pour the mixture into a baking pan lined with parchment paper and spread it evenly. I bake it at 170 Celsius degrees, 340 in Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Sheet pan pancakes are the easiest way to meal prep pancakes, so much quicker than cooking them on a pan. Sheet pan pancakes are very common here in Finland. While growing up, my mom always made my brothers and I pancakes in the oven. I cut them into pieces and store in an airtight container in the fridge. I reheat them in the microwave in the morning. For extra sweetness, add some maple syrup on top. For lunch, I'm prepping Tex Mex salad jars. First, I cooked some lean ground beef. I season it with ground cumin, paprika spice, oregano, salt, and pepper. But you could of course use a ready taco seasoning. I can't unfortunately use the ready spice mixes because they contain garlic and onion that give me very bad IBS symptoms. Then I mix all the ingredients together for the sauce: olive oil, Greek yogurt, sour cream, juice of 3 limes, and the same spices I added to the ground beef. I divide the sauce into 6 glass jars. I use 1-liter jars, which are about 34 ounces. Then I add black beans, and corn, and the ground beef, and sliced jalapenos, and halved grape tomatoes. Salad jars are my favorite way to meal prep salads, as the dressing is at the bottom of the jar so the veggies on top won't get soggy. And lastly, I add lettuce. I store the salad jars in the fridge. Before serving, I pour the ingredients into a big bowl and toss. Such a tasty lunch. For snack, I'm making chocolate hazelnut granola bars. I mix together oats, unsweetened cacao powder, ground flax seeds, which are a great source of fiber and healthy fats. Then I add crushed hazelnuts. Next, I add unsweetened creamy peanut butter. The peanut butter I use is 100% made of peanuts. Then I add maple syrup for sweetness, but you could use any liquid sweetener you like. And lastly, I add some milk. I press the mixture into a glass container lined with parchment paper. This time I decided to bake these bars, but you could also make no-bake bars and just let them set in the fridge. I bake them at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. I let them cool down for 10 minutes and then I cut them into bars. I top them with 2 pieces of melted 80% dark chocolate and crushed hazelnuts. These granola bars are such a fun and yummy snack you can also take on the go. For dinner, I'm prepping sesame chicken. First, I make a marinade for the chicken. I mix together soy sauce, sesame oil, grated ginger, pepper, and chili flakes. I let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. If you are in a rush, 10 to 15 minutes works too. Next, I steam some broccoli. I don't have a steamer, so I used a pan. I add water to the hot pan and cover it with a lid and let cook on medium heat for about 8 minutes. Next, I cook the chicken. Meanwhile, I also cook some rice. When the chicken is cooked, I set it aside. Then I make the sauce. I add all the ingredients into this container: soy sauce, chicken stock, rice vinegar, honey, ketchup, sesame oil, cornstarch to thicken the sauce, and water, and lastly some chili flakes. I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, green onions, and grated ginger to a pan and cook for a few minutes. You could also add some garlic if you don't have ideas like me. Then I add the sauce and cook for a few more minutes until it has thickened. Then I add the cooked chicken and toss until the chicken is coated in the sauce. Lastly, I add sesame seeds on top. I serve the chicken with the broccoli and rice. This meal is packed with flavor. Would definitely make this again soon. And here are all the ready meals.
Those were all the meals I meal prepped today, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you want to see next. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!